welcome to this video in our series on Unit 4 for Leaving Certificate Business. And in this video we're going to look at the idea of what TQM is, Total Quality Management. We're going to define what quality assurance is and look at the main principles of Total Quality Management, TQM, and the benefits of TQM to a business. So, what on earth is Total Quality Management? Well, let's break down the words total, quality, and management. What do you think that could mean? Pause the video, jot in a few ideas, and you're ready. Press play to continue. So, TQM is a process which tries to ensure quality in all aspects of a firm's operation. That's the total bit, okay? So, ensuring that there's quality everywhere, okay? TQM puts the efforts of the firm into meeting the present and future needs of its customers. So, it's looking at not only ensuring that everything the company does now is of top quality, but also in the future as well, so that the quality is maintained at a high standard. Employees are given responsibility to ensure that the products meet the requirements of the consumer. So a certain level of employee empowerment here, so employees are centrally involved in ensuring that there's high quality goods being given to the consumer. Quality assurance and teamwork are central to the Total Quality Management approach. So we've looked at employee empowerment in the last few videos. We've also looked at the idea of teamwork in the last few videos, and that's all coming together as part of this Total Quality Management approach. So, what is quality assurance? Okay, so think about that there, pause the video and press play to continue when you're ready. So, quality assurance is a system that guarantees customers that detailed systems are in place to govern quality at every stage in the production, from design right the way through to the sales of the finished product as well. Okay, refers to maintaining a desired level of quality in a service or product by means of attention to detail in every stage of the process of delivery or production. So, basically what it means is quality assurance is assuring you of a certain standard or level of quality at every step of the process. So it's not just, when they design the product, design a high quality product, but when it comes to production, it all falls apart. That at every level, there's guaranteed quality at each point of the process, right the way up to and including the selling of the product to the customer. So, how would one implement total quality management, or what are the principles of total quality management in a business? Well, the focus is on the customer, because at the end of the day, the customer is the person buying the product. So the customer is the most important person in the business. The function of the business is to serve the customer. Market research is conducted to see what the customers actually want, because no point in business actually making a product that customers don't want or need. So that's central to it as well. So, another one is employee empowerment, and we looked at employee empowerment in our previous videos. Employees are given real power, responsibility and authority, using skills and knowledge to make decisions and improve the quality of the product. Teamwork, as we also looked at in previous videos as well, employees are put into teams, which then goes on to motivate them, as people don't want to let their teammates down. Generally, when you're working in a group of people, you feel a certain responsibility that you want to all make sure you maintain a certain high standard. It also satisfies the employee's social needs, as defined by Maslow, that we looked at in Unit 3. Suppliers and the company work together as perfect materials that help to achieve the perfect product. So the company is sourcing high quality raw materials from its suppliers, because if the raw materials they get from the suppliers are of high quality, that means they're more likely to have a much higher quality product at the end of the process. Also, continuous improvement. The business is constantly striving for 100% perfection all the time. Every time they produce a product, they want to do better than the last time. Okay, this involves improving processes, products, qualities, and reducing costs. The business is constantly analysing every element of the business to ensure that they are delivering the best possible product they can. So, now that we looked at what total quality management is and how to implement it into a business, what do you think the benefits of total quality management are to a firm? Pause the video there for a second and jot in a few ideas of what you think the benefits of TQM to a firm are. Well, of course, one is improved quality, naturally enough. If there's continuous improvement in the quality, there should be, if TQM is implemented properly, continuous improvement in the quality of the products produced, leading to, if your products are of higher quality, then customers are going to be happy, so there's going to be a higher level of consumer loyalty, and the reputation of the brand is there going to improve, because the brand will become associated with high quality products. Reduction in cost. So this is from a couple of perspectives, okay? If you have high quality process in the production of the good, that means you're going to have less waste in your production costs. You're going to have less faulty things being made on the production line. So savings will be achieved as there are no faulty units produced which use resources but are not sold. Also, you're going to have savings in faulty goods that aren't being returned. You know, when you buy something and it breaks and you bring it back to the shop, that's quite costly for the business that's producing the good. If by ensuring that you've got a high quality product throughout the process, that means then you don't have to, you're not going to have as many goods coming back to you, so therefore you are saving money in that regard. Meet the requirements of legislation. So, there are legal requirements of producing goods and services that firms have to obey that are set out by the laws by the government. For example, there's one that you've all looked at in Unit 1, which is goods sold must be of merchantable quality, and that's stated in the Sale of Goods and Supply of Services Act 1980. Another benefit is that workers get more motivated. Because workers have employee empowerment and they're working in teams, they're more motivated because they can see that the management in the firm is committed to quality. When you have a highly committed and motivated workforce, there's going to be good morale in the firm, okay, which creates a sense of goodwill as well. There's less industrial disputes, and people are less likely to want to leave the firm, which means you're going to have lower staff turnover, which in turn also reduces your costs in terms of induction training and having to employ new staff. Also, somewhat linked into that point is the idea of job satisfaction. Workers will feel a sense of achievement as the products they are producing are of good, high quality. Satisfied workforce results in good morale in the firm, which results in less industrial disputes and lower staff over, as previously discussed. Increased sales, as we looked at as well, because the firm develops a reputation for making good quality products, more people are going to buy these products. Increased sales is great for a business because more sales generally means more revenue, which in turn generally means more profit. If there's more profit and sales for the firm are increasing, that means there's more likely to be job security for the workers in the firm. So folks, that brings us to the end of the video where we've now learned what total quality management is, what the main principles or what the features of total quality management are, and the benefits of total quality management to a business. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, why not give it a like below, and of course please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.